Now the students have successfully made this dish without fire. So the class was on cook without fire. Please come fast. It's mouth watering. What did you make, Aisha? What is this?
Peas burger.
Oh wow, peas burgers, very nice. What did you make, guys?
Sir, we have make a mocha kana.
We made
Turkish dish.
a Turkish dish.
Yes, sir.
What you did, Zuhad? What you did in this recipe? I beat it curd. What you did, Binish?
Sir, I cut the cashews.
I crushed cashews and
I cut cashews, almonds, apples.
Huzifa, what you did?
Sir, I crushed the dry fruit.
I crushed dry fruits. Okay. What was your job, Adil? What you did?
Sir, we shall be completed in 5 minutes.
Okay, that's wonderful. What was your job, Umar? What you made? What you did in this activity? Huh? I was helping them. Okay. What you did really in this activity? You helped them? I helped them. What you did? Huh? I cut the breads.
I cut the breads and onions.
Okay. Go in that room. That's wonderful. Great.